this video, I'm going to show you how to change windshield wipers on Chevy Equinox. It's really simple. These are the driver's side, it's a 24-inch, and the passenger side is 17-inch. The one thing, if you go to AutoZone or someplace and buy just the proper length, you'll have to make sure that they fit. Some of the windshield wipers, they don't have this style that's the plug or the push button. So I made that mistake, and I've got a pair of windshield wipers that I can't use. All you have to do is push the tab in and then pull, just like that. So I'm going to open the new AC Delco. And you can see it's got this little tab on here, right there. And it's just going to slide into place. Pull off that. And that's all there is to it. This one I'd already changed. It was, the original one was in really bad shape. I don't really like the aftermarket, so I bought these AC Delco factory replacements, thinking that they should fit better, which they do. That's all there is to changing the windshield wipers on 2011 Chevy Equinox.